Chef Jessica Cooper.
And I'm Chef Jeremy Blythe.
And this is the Academy of Culinary Arts at Land O'Lakes High School.
And we want to welcome you to the Pasco Pathways event that we are hosting for you today. I would like to show you around our facility. Hi there, and welcome back. This here we have is Lakeview Cafe. Lakeview Cafe is our student-run restaurant here in the Culinary Arts building at Land O'Lakes High School. We serve both district staff at the Pasco County District Schools office, as well as faculty and staff here at Land O'Lakes High School. All of the menus, both hot and cold food, are planned and executed by our seniors in the program here. We are the only program of this type in the district that has a built-in restaurant or cafeteria that serves actual customers. So this gives an actual hands-on, real-world application to the culinary industry for our students, which we believe here at Land O'Lakes High School is a really big, important part of our program. This is our dining room, which during school hours serves as our classroom for our students. But during the evenings, during non-COVID times, we will host various catering events throughout the school year, which gives our students another unique opportunity to work banquet catered events. We do everything from prepping the food to serving the food, so we teach our students front of the house techniques as well as back of the house. Again, this is a very unique opportunity for our students to use for hands-on applications in the hospitality industry. So we have three main kitchens here in our facility. Off to your right here, we have our state-of-the-art bake shop. Part of the idea behind this building was to have display walls, so when groups and different individuals from our district office come out to see the campus, we have a very nice showcased window where you can see students throughout the day working on various projects. Okay, so here you can see another alternative showcase area for our bake shop. We have state-of-the-art equipment from rotating conveyor ovens to deck ovens to display refrigerators, marble tables for chocolate and sugar work, wood tables for bread and pastries. Anything that you would find in a commercial facility, we have here for our students to learn. We have both boys and girls locker facilities for the students because students are required to wear uniforms, which you can learn more about during our Q&A session. Students purchase their uniforms through a company that we contract, and they can store them here in a locker that's assigned to them on campus in the locker rooms. Okay, so here, off to the side, we have our production kitchen. So we have 10 tables where our students will do various tasks and learn various techniques from soups, stocks and sauces to breakfast foods and egg cookery, from classic French technique to international cuisines as well. Everything that we do centers around this main kitchen. All right, so let's jump right back over to Chef Cooper and we're gonna finish up that eggnog bread.
Today, what we have so far is all of our mise en place together. This is something that we need to do before we start making our recipes, so that way we can just go ahead and go through it. It's also a great way to make sure that we have all of the ingredients ready. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make sure we have all of our ingredients here, and I'm going to add all of the dry ingredients into my mixing bowl. So now that all of the dry ingredients are in the bowl, I'm just going to combine them quickly, just to get all the ingredients incorporated together. Okay, so now I have all of my wet ingredients. I have here my eggs, my eggnog, or the eggnog loaf. oil, and my extracts, which are rum and vanilla. What I'm going to do now is just quickly blend them together. All right, now that I have my ingredients blended together, I'm just going to scrape down my paddle and my bowl. You want to make sure that you're only blending until all the dry ingredients have disappeared. That way you don't overmix. And I'm just going to go around with my rubber spatula and make sure it's all mixed in together. Then I also have a pan that I have prepared here, a loaf pan. You can make this in a cupcake cup if you want to, a cupcake tin, or you can make it in a loaf pan or in a cake pan. It's whatever you choose to do. And then I'm going to dip all of my batter into the pan. And this is going to bake for about 50 minutes at 350 degrees or until done. And you'll check if it's done by inserting a toothpick and it comes out clean. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and make my glaze while my loaf is baking in the oven. Right now I have some powdered sugar, more eggnog, my extracts, vanilla and rum, and some nutmeg. And all you need to do is just whisk this together. Okay, and there's the glaze. This is gonna go on the loaf after it comes out of the oven. It needs to cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes first, and then you'll put the glaze on top. Okay, so now my loaf is all baked, it's cooled, and I removed it from the pan. I put it on this charger, and now I'm going to put the glaze on top. So I have the glaze that I just made, and I'm just gonna take a spoon and I'm just gonna go over it and put the glaze on. You can put as little or as much as you want. This is your holiday eggnog loaf. Let me cut it and see how good it tastes. Thank you so much for joining us here tonight at Land O'Lakes High School, the Academy of Culinary Arts.
We're really excited at the prospect of having you join our academy. So please stay tuned. Tonight is going to be a live Q&A with Chef Cooper and I. So if you have any questions, please plan to Zoom in with us. The link is available through the Pasco Pathways event. And we'll be there live on Zoom to answer any questions that you may have.
Thank you very much.